exclamatifs and especially les adverbes exclamatifs. Okay, so les adverbes exclamatifs, well, actually they won't be that difficult because we will see in this lesson the first one will be que, then the second one will be ce que, and the last one will be comme. Okay, so in that case we're talking about exclamatif, so exclamation, so it does mean that, well, you could say to someone, tu es intelligent, you are intelligent, okay? But then, of course, if you want to insist, if you want to put this exclamation concept in that, well, first you need to put this point exclamation at the end, and of course, normally you will, if it's orally, you will tend to modify a little bit the sentence and the way you pronounce this sentence, so you will insist like, ah, tu es intelligent. Okay, but then of course we've got these adverbs and then we can use them. It will be quite simple. The first one, actually, que, you just need to add it at the beginning of your sentence. Okay, so we've got exactly the same sentence as we had previously. So in the example, tu es intelligent, you just need to add this que. Okay, oh, que tu es intelligent. Okay, so in that case, well, sorry, I'm not a good actor, but then I try my best. But when you put this que in that case, well, you will insist on the fact that you are really, really surprised or amazed. Okay, que tu es intelligent. It will be exactly the same thing if you want to use this ce que. It's a bit more spoken, but still exactly the same way of construction. You just need to put ce que at the beginning and you continue your sentence. Oh, ce que tu es intelligent. Okay, and the last one, well, comme. So of course it's another adverb, but then the meaning will be exactly the same. Comme tu es intelligent. Okay, so in all the three cases, the meaning is exactly the same. The adverbs will be different, but still, actually, you've got the choice. It's quite good. So you can say que tu es intelligent, ce que tu es intelligent, comme tu es intelligent. Okay.